Alright guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to animate a little bug. It could be a butterfly or whatever. So I'm just going to start off with 3 cubes. Oops. Okay. 1. Again, this would like represent a bug. Let's go ahead and clone it. Okay, so these are going to be the wings. Alright, so that's good. Let's go ahead and put these in the body now. And we're going to change our pivot points so when they flat. See right now if I rotate these, you know, they rotate like this. I don't want them rotating like that. I want them rotating at the edge, so we have to change the pivots. So we'll do that real quick. Alright, that would be this one right here. That's a pretty good spot. That'll work. Let's do the other one. That's pretty good. Okay, good. So let's name this stuff. We're going to call this one, just click on it. Okay, call this one, I don't know. I guess we could call it left wing. This is the body. I'm just double clicking to get that, okay? This is the right wing. Okay, so we have it set up. Great. Now we have to group it together as one object. So we're going to highlight it, right click, and we just go to null. And this creates a group right here. And, whoa, it's being so stupid. And we're going to call this group bug. Okay, so everything's named good. You know, if I do this and move it around, great. Okay, so let's go ahead and animate the wings. Let's start out with that. Let's do the right wing. We'll do like every 5 frames. So when we go down, we'll go to like -20. Actually, let's see what -40 looks like. Too much. -30 is pretty good. And then we'll just go to rotation. And then we'll go to frame 5. And then we'll type in 30. And then we'll click on rotation. And then we'll go to 10. -30. Click on rotation. Then we'll go to 15. Click on rotation. And 20. Then we'll go to 25. Oops. I don't know why it's got weird. Let me see. All right. I don't know why it got weird. If you do what I just did, you have a little bit of an issue. Let's just go back to here. Click on this. We'll right click. Sometimes these things get weird. And we'll go to animation, clear all keyframes. Okay. Right, let's try that again. And we'll click key. Okay. Then we go to 30. And we click key. Okay. All right. right, so let's try this. So that's good. All right, let's go to 10. And then click key. Okay, so let's see. All right, 15. And then click key. Let's see. Now we'll go to 20. Then we put negative 30. And then we click key. Now we go to 25. Go to 30. And then we click key. Then we go to frame 30. Go to negative 30. And then we click key. All right. Then we go to 30. And we click key. Then we go to 40. You guys get the idea here. Negative 30. And then we click key. Okay, so I'm going to do the exact same thing for the other wing. All right, every 5 frames. So I'm going to go on the other wing. I'm going to go to here. And I'm going to bring that. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to rotate that to 30. And I'm going to click key. Then I'm going to go to 5. I'm going to go to negative 30. All right. And then I'm going to click key. And then I'll go to 10. And I'll go to 30. Then I'll click key. Then I'll go to 15. Then I'll go negative 30. Then I'll hit key. Then I'll go to 20. Then I'll go to 30. Then I hit key. So it's basically advance the frame, right? Change the number to flip it. And then click the button to key the frame. That's the algorithm there. So I'm just continuing doing that. You saw at the beginning of the video, mine got screwed up. So I had to do it again. Sometimes you have to do this stuff more than once. It's just kind of the way it is. All right, so if I hit spacebar, okay, so I have a flapping bird. Fantastic, great. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on the bug and we're gonna animate the group. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna animate the group, okay? And how do we wanna animate the group? I don't know. We have to figure it out. Let's just animate the thing to fly around a little. So we're gonna do like transform and rotate. So let's start it right here. And let's go like, I don't know, to like here. And we'll move it. And we'll rotate it a little. So transform, rotate. Let's see what that looks like. Looks good. Now we can do something like move it. And maybe it's rotating a little bit. Like that. Okay? Let's go to here. We'll do like this. Maybe that. Maybe it's going over here a little and it's lowering its flight path. All right, so we got this. And then finally, maybe it does this. And it does that. Oops. And that. And it like sets itself down on something. I don't know. So let's take a look at that animation. Let's go back to here and go like this. Okay. Just hit spacebar to animate. Okay. Probably should have stopped it moving around there. It's all right. It doesn't matter. But that's the idea. Hopefully that makes sense. There's all these things you can mess around with on the player. You know. I have no idea what these things do, so that's all you. Okay. And maybe we want to only go to start frame, end frame, like, since we don't have many frames, 40. Right now we'll just hit this and we'll just keep looping. Right, because we only have 4. That's how you change the frames. Okay? So hopefully you understand the video on how to do some animation. It's pretty easy. Sometimes it doesn't work, so you have to do it a few times. But the idea is name the things, group the things, change pivots, and animate. That's the idea. Thanks for watching.